Step by step, here we go, down the road where the chess winds flow. Black and white beneath our feet, every square's a place to meet. Hold my hand, come along, this is where the journey's strong. Every stop will help us grow, down the chess road off we go. Follow, follow the chessboard road, where the pieces laugh and stories glow. Kings and queens and pawns so bold, follow the road, let's be brave and bold. Little pawns begin the day, learning how to move and play. Castles tall and knights so kind, new surprises wait to find. Take a breath, look around, magic sparkles all around. One by one we learn and know, down the chess road off we go. Follow, follow the chessboard road, where the pieces laugh and stories glow. Kings and queens and pawns so bold, follow the road, let's be brave and bold. Step by step, nice and slow, see how much we learn and grow. Every move is fun and bright, on the chessboard road.